2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, compass, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, entertainment system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.